Hello guys, welcome to Square Ninja, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the most basic settings before writing your first blog post on WordPress. We will start with the after you have installed the WordPress on your hosting. Now the first setting which you should do, that is the permalink setting. The permalink is the URL structure of your website. Suppose this website has this post, and the permalink of this post is domain name with this best free video editing apps for Android. So this is the complete URL. So first setting which you should do is the permalink setting from the setting menu. So the most of the people recommend that you should select from this post name or the custom structure. See this plain, if you select this plain, your URL will be like this P123 and page number 123 like this. So it's not understandable and it's not look good. Day and name. So in this your day will be included. So it will not live like a evergreen post. Month and name you can do, but it's also not SEO friendly. Numeric you can do, but it's also not recommended. So the most recommended type is the post name. See, if by chance you have selected the any of these, and when you are going to change that, you have to redirect all your previous post to the new URL structure. So the first setting which you should do is the permalink setting, and for that you should select the post name. And here from here you can select the custom structure in which you can add the category name and the post name. So the category and post name you can also include, but once you decided which kind of structure you want for your website, please don't change it. So it's better to set it very first before writing your very first post. So next we move to the other settings. Then we go to the general. Here you have to write that site title. Like for this I have written Meet Guru, and you have to decide the tagline for your website. Like here I am writing your tech partner. Then the next is website URL. Here you have to write the which kind of URL structure you want for your website. Either you want www version or you want non www version. So in both these you have to enter your preferred URL structure. Next is the email, and from here you can select the time zone, date format and time format. So these are the most basic settings which you can do. Next we move to the writing. In the writing there is no change required, and next we move to the reading. Here it will show you which kind of home page you want to display. Either you want your latest post on your home page or you want a static page. So if you want a static page, then you have to select the static home page from this column. So how many posts you want to show, and this now this is important setting. For each article in feed you should select the summary. If you select the full text, then it will be like a duplicate content. So for each article in feed you should select the summary. Suppose your website is in development mode and you haven't written anything, so for that time you can select this and discourage search engine from indexing the site. But remember it to uncheck if you want your site to be indexed. So this is the reading setting, and if we go to the discussion, in this these are the basic settings which you can do. And if you don't want to change, no need to do anything at here. So Guys, these are the most basic settings which you should do before writing your very first post. So if you want to see all the videos, please subscribe to our channel and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.